Okay people, so we're going at this place today, Buccoo Paradise. So we want to give you all the direction. Right, so we're driving now. This building on your right hand side is licensing office. So we're passing this building here. And one thing to keep in mind, you're keeping on this road. You're not turning left, you're not turning right. Now we're passing the police station on the right hand side. We're going. Alright, we almost reached, We're still going. We're coming up to a junction in a while. You're not turning left nor right. Here's the junction. Then we will come up to a peach building on your left hand side. Right, this is the peach building here on your left hand side. And then you will reach the food court. And it's right after the food court. This is the food court here on your left hand side. The place is called Buccoo Homes, but the unit where we're going at is Buccoo Paradise. Okay people, so we are at Buccoo Paradise. We're spending the weekend here. So we want to show you all what the place looks like.
Okay, nicely. Alright guys, so welcome to we come for 3 nights and we just want to give you all a tour of the place. So as we walk into the front door, we have the open concept living and dining. Most of these places, they're modern, so they have the open concept thing going on.
Well, right? Before you go further, I love what I see in here. The
placemats, it's a leaf.
It looks unique.
Like a leaf. So this villa, it has all the amenities, but your kitchen will have a room. We have the stove, toaster oven. Gosh, a toaster oven is a must. All right, microwave, the fridge. So, okay, so this side of the fridge is the standing the freeze. And well, of course, I don't need to open it because this side will be the fridge.
That's right.
And the cupboards have wares and stuff, so you could buy your groceries and cook, of course. Yeah. Nice. Right, blender. That's good because Hussy like oats. Could blend up his oats for him while we're here. Yes. Right, and this is the living area here. So this villa, each room is a 2-bedroom villa. Each room have AC. Out in the living room here have AC also. And ooh, the couch is comfortable.
Comfy.
Yeah. So we can show them the master bedroom now.
Yeah, sure.
All right. So of course we're staying in the master bedroom.
Lovely.
Yes.
This room have AC as well.
Yeah, all the rooms have AC. And I love the full-length mirror, slided mirrors on both sides. We already packed away some of our stuff. We're staying for 3 nights. 3 nights, 4 days. So the mirror sliding both ways. It have hangers so you can hang your clothes. I mean, throw your clothes out of the suitcase, pack it away.
Yeah.
You're home for 3 days, relaxing. And of course, all our little toiletries already packed out on top here. And this is here.
shower, people, it's high enough for a tall person like me. So if you're tall, you don't have nothing to worry about.
And the entire unit is fitted with a smoke detector. So whoever likes to smoke, we hope not, could do it outside. It's dangerous for your health. So we want to show you the other bedroom now, the second bedroom. Okay. The second bedroom has 2 beds. This unit could hold about 4 to 5 persons. Of course, the master bedroom will hold 2 people, a couple, and about 2 to 3 persons could fit in this bedroom.
Yeah. People look at wifey, she had in she pocket, she feeling cool, you feeling cool now?
Yeah, but it's feeling, yes, I get cool,
Cool and
baby,
nice.
you know I rather feel cool any day. Yeah, than feel warm, you know that.
True.
So to come out of this bedroom, the toilet and bath in this one here. So we have the laundry room across here now, and the laundry is really a never-ending cycle.
Come to show that sign, come and have that
Yeah.
side. Never ending cycle, wow.
Yeah, for real. Wash and dryer.
Then you have these shelves here. Right, people, so wifey and I, we're gonna take a little walk. We're gonna take a little walk down to the playground. Right, so on this property it have 2 pools. It have a big one, it have a small one. The small one, we will pass it in a while. It on your right hand side. So here is the pool. When we walking back up, we would pass in close by. So you have a better look at it. Playground now. Right, so you're having a good look at the pool here. It's not deep, that is one thing. The bigger one, a little deeper. Right, so this is the bigger one here. And this pool here, it is opposite Buccoo Paradise. That's the unit I'm speaking of. Pool time now. Now we're going to take a dip. look at what wifey doing, huh? Before she come in the pool, I tell him, wifey, baby, come now, man, come now. Nah, she want to come in the pool. She tell me all she will do is wet her feet. I say, well, all right. Fine by me. You see, look, wetting her feet. Well, anyhow, she wasn't feeling like taking a dip, man, so. Today we come for some ice cream, baby girl and I.
Yeah.
At Buccoo. Alright, so
we have this lovely lady here serving us.
This lovely lady here serving us. Right. Let's see what we have in here.
I'll take a coffee Oreo and a condo.
I don't know why I feel like what do you
Coffee.
Like coffee flavor.
Yeah.
Right.
Like coffee flavor.
Coffee and what?
No, I just want that.
That's straight coffee?
Yeah.
Right, so I will take cookies and cream. Yeah.